Alrighty, greetings everybody. This is Arizona Hog with a Hunt Fish 4x4. Out again at Peña Blanca Lake. It's been a while since I've seen it. It's about end of February. So we're gonna see if the bass are starting to move in. I know they stock with trout, so at the very least try to catch a limit of trout. That'd be cool. But just getting out on the water, switching over from the hunting season to the fishing season, and well, glad to do it. So I got the kayak out there. Just locked up the truck, put the truck away. Yeah, heading down here to see what we can make of the day. Spend the whole day out here. Got me food, got me water. Yeah, so hopefully spend a couple hours. Hopefully they're productive. We can make something happen. Not too much traffic here, you know. I think there's about like 4 or 5 boats on the water, you know. Got the yak already there. Got my fish finder with me. Still kind of new to me, so gonna be trying to break that in. Hopefully that'll put me on some fish. At least give me an idea where they're at. But all in all, bring you guys along for the ride. Hopefully have a good day out on the water. But my vessel's waiting for me and I'm gonna get out there. Tune in when we get into something. Stay tuned. After seeing all these fish all morning, yeah, we got a trout, we got a trout. We got a trout, we got a trout. He's a big one. Well, if I can keep him in the boat. Yeah, he don't want to land. Let him do his flopper over there. You know what? Yeah. As a rule of thumb and in gesture of good faith and being happy that I even caught him, you know, I'm gonna let the first one go. It's kind of a thing I like to do. If I can get him over here. It's been terrible this morning. Entangled in everything. Everything's going wrong. The wind kicked up. I'm just all over the place. Go ahead, brother. Oh, he's a fighter. He's a fighter. Ah, you're gonna poke me and I'm gonna get mad. Wow, he hooked himself good. Like how I'm saying, dude, I'm gonna be here all day. I don't wanna waste my time. Look at that. Pretty fish. Yep. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. Yeah. Nah, they just play possum a lot. Well, I hope so. If he stays like that, I'll flip him out and get him. Alright. Well, yeah, it's been a rough day. I've only been here like an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours. I've seen probably over 50 fish, 60 fish. I've only caught one. Let him go, try to revive him. He swam off, but as I'm trying to help him out, freaking pedal drive got thrown all over the place and I got embedded on a freaking log. But they're out here. The only thing that's working so far is the spinner bait. You got to get a reaction out of them. Cast my fly to them and they'd ignore it. Another one. Come on. See, they're hidden. They're hidden. Yeah, they're hidden. Again, the goal is to catch a limit today, but I don't want to go home. Oh wow, but this one is huge. Yeah, he's a pretty fish. Look at that. He's huge. I think this one's gonna have to make the cut. Yeah, I'm getting ready to boat flip him right now. They're all decent. They're all decent. They're in this area. I'm just smashing around, throwing my spinner, and something that's worked for me. I haven't seen a bass yet. Saw some bluegill over there. Come here. Come here. Ah. Wow, you just cut me. Cut me deep, bro. You cut me deep. You're gonna rip me, dude, and I'm gonna get upset. But because you cut me, you made the cut. I was gonna let you go, but you had to be all aggressive and cut me, so he's on the board. We're gonna make some smoked trout. Okay. I'm not a huge fan of these treble hooks. There we go. Let's throw that back half. Yeah, the trout's is biting. You know what? Because I'm having such a hard go with it. Go. Alright. Oh man. Pretty fish, pretty fish. Get on, brother. Yeah, we'll let him do his thing. Fucking find out where you're going, old man. Oh, another one. Oh, another one. Yes, sir. Well, trout fishing's good. Again, I don't want to go home so early. He's little. Yeah, this guy's little. We let him go. Yeah, he's little. Look at that. Wee! Oh, oh, oh. Oh, yeah. He's a fighter, though. He's a fighter. So call me, little. Come here, 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 come here. Let me get you out real quick, and then I get you out. Don't fall off your fucking thing now, buddy. I don't know what's up with that. Doesn't make no sense because it was recording this morning. Look at now it's recording again. I don't know. Just error a second ago. There he goes. Perfect. Look at that. Pretty fish. Pretty fish. Don't go. Come on, buddy. Yeah, he's ready to swim off and he's gone. Yeah, I'm gonna sit here and just smash some trout all day. Hey man, they turned around. As much problems as I'm having so far, it's still good to be out here. I got something to show for it, even if I only have one trout. Look, there's one right there. As I say that, one just hops out the water. There we go. Come on, go for it. Tapped it twice. Oh man, he caught that one. Yeah, there you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. That's a big one. He's about to turn my whole kayak around. Look at that. Man, look at that. Look at that. Yeah. That's cool. Again, we'll get a quick release of you. If you let me. Well, get my gosh. Every time, and then they do this death roll. It wants to end up hooking me. There you go. He's gone. That's number 4 already. Oop, come on. There we go. He's still on. He's just fighting funny. He's just fighting funny. Man, I like that view. I hope you guys see that. That's a good one. It's my 5th fish of the day already. Couldn't ask for a better day's worth of fishing. Maybe that's why I had to get punished this morning and have everything go wrong. Just so I can come out here and have it. How crystal clear the water is and everything like that just makes it look so good. You could see like the pink on them all nice and bright. It's pretty nice. And they hook themselves so aggressively on these, you know. Trying to get you out. You're being difficult. There you go. Should fix itself. But yeah, that camera stopped working. I don't know what's up with that. This one's gonna die soon, which sucks because, yeah, how stressful is that? I lost one of my batteries. I have another battery, but then once that battery dies, I can only use my old one. There we go. Got another fish. Got another fish. No, lucky number 6. Lucky number 6. Oh yeah. He's a big one. He just don't wanna move. Oh wow. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh, ooh, ooh. He's a fatty. Fatty with a fatty. There you go, baby. Where you at? Where you at? Ooh, get out of there. He might have made the cut. Look at that. That's a decent one. See, this is where they mess themselves up right here. When they start doing this, just putting the hooks continuously in their mouth. I'm gonna switch up and throw a spoon on, because these rooster tails are just wrecking them with this treble hook. Ah, come on, don't hook me. He has all 3 hooks in his mouth. Okay. So, there you go. We're on the last one. Have to get all 3 hooks out of you. There you go. Nice fish. So, and he's off. He swam off good. I can see him. He swam off real good. But I'm ripping him up. So I'm gonna switch. I'm not ripping him up. Again, I am playing for keeps, but I don't want to have to go home. It took me an hour to get out here, so hour and probably a half with that construction. So we're gonna enjoy our time out here. You know. Tighten that up a little. Ooh, he's on. I didn't even feel that. Wow. First cast with the new bait. And it's a big one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. He's a big one. Bad placement of the fly rod. Wow, he's nice. He's so nice. Into the book. Look at that. Yeah. Yep, these ones should be easy to just pop right up. Look at that. Bah, 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 bah. I'm gonna get it back. Later on, dude. Goodbye. Yeah, he's healthy. He's good. I see him swimming off. Nice. We'll keep this one going for now then. It's good. What a good day. It didn't turn out that, it didn't start that way, did it? It didn't feel like it was going to be a good day. Everything was going wrong. I pulled into this. Ah, there we go. Fish on. We're smashing him. That's number 8. Jesus, he's a sunfishing son of a gun. He just loves getting out of the water. Trying to keep him low so he don't keep jumping. Man, he's a fighter. He's big. He's big. Gee, he big. I don't know, man. This is a big one. It's hard to put him back. It's really hard to put him back. That works too. Look at that. Right on the drop. Ooh, that's a trout. No way. No way. First trout on the fly. Boy. 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 Yeah, baby. That's a trout. He's over here hanging out with these bluegills. Hang out with the bluegill, you get caught like one. Alright, let's bring him in. Yeah. Oh, oops. We'll let you go. Oh, come on, man. I'm trying to get you out. There he goes. He's off. Really? Yes. 10th fish. There we go. Different species. That's all I wanted. Oh, he's a pig. Gee. Wow, they look so small in the water. Ugh, they'll both be. Look at that. That's a big one. That's a big one. Ah, that's a big one. Look at that. Ooh, 10 fish of the day. Sick. Dude, these red ears are ginormous. These red ears are ginormous. Yeah. Jeez, that hook set was nice. That hook set was nice, baby. Ooh, we fly fishing now, baby. That's a giant. It's a giant. Ew, boy. Ew, boy. He fought harder than the trout. He's huge. Get up here, boy. Come on. Oh, wow. He made a big old run. Come on, baby. Ew, boy. All right. Come on. Get off of me. Yeah. Relax, relax. I got you, brother. Look at that. Big old gilly. Yeah, but that's me because my GoPro died. What I could do is just take that one off of there and then just use the chest mount only, because I'm pretty sure this angle right here sucks. Ah, I got something. Thought it was a trout the way it came out. It's just a bluegill. Tug of war, tug of war. Tug. I need a bass now. That's what I need. I need a bait. He's all funny. Come on. Let's get you. Hey. Fish it. See if we can go into the shade and catch one. Ooh, beautiful cast. There we go. Knock that skunk off. Took a while. Starts to spoil you after a while. You're like, where are the fish? You know? Yeah. And it's such a shallow water fight, they can't really do much. Ooh, that's so cool. Such clear water. Look at that. Look at how big that fish is. Look at that. It's ridiculous. Oh, look at me. Don't pee on me, bees. They're on, little dude. Alright. On a jerk bait. It looks like a trout. Might be a tiny bass. Let's get him in. It's trout. Nice. First fish ever on a jerk bait. I don't really catch with the soft plastics. I don't want to get hooked. There we go. Don't hook beat. Well, at least we know that top water. It's not just them though, because I've seen the bass. Okay. Get over here, don't break my lure. You know, I think he made the cut as my first lucky fish. I think so. Might as well, because day's getting on. I need 4. You know what I mean? This guy went stiff already. Let's go ahead and get him a friend, I guess. Good on you, brother. There you go. Have at it. Yeah, first ever hard plastic catch ever. I was really hoping it was a bass, but you know, hey, if I can catch him on the jerk bait, I'm down. Oh, that's ridiculous. He's another keeper. Nope, never mind. This dude just hit a freaking lipless crankbait, dude. No way. That counts. That counts. That counts. He's crazy. Nice. Well, on the backside of the lake. This is as far as I'm gonna go. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but not really see much. Just regular old bottom. I'm in about 38 feet of water, which I haven't caught any fish at all today that deep. Everything has been within probably less than 10 feet of water, maybe that, you know. But I'm not fishing deep. I tried fishing deep. I have a Ned rig, Texas rig, on all morning. Nothing. Saw some really good bass in some shallow structure. Subsurface, they wouldn't pay attention if it hit the bottom. So tied on a jerk bait and lipless crankbait. Caught 2 trout on those. That was it. Yeah, so I only have 2 in the hole so far. I probably caught already over a dozen trout. I let most of them go, but I am playing for keeps. I do want to catch my limit, so I'm gonna head back to where I was catching earlier, catch another 2 probably on a spoon, and then probably call it a day. It's about 4:30, 4:25 exactly, but it's about 4:30, you know. Starting to get real thirsty. I have a couple waters with me, but probably slam 1 or 2 of them now. Head back to the far side of the lake over there, and then yeah, again catch 2 more trout. If I can figure the bass out today, that'd be cool, but I don't think I am. I tried hard plastic, soft plastic, you know. There was times where I even seen them and we're throwing like shallow water flies at them, and wasn't working. The trout too didn't like the flies too much. I caught a single trout on the fly rod. Every other trout I caught today came on either the jerk bait, caught 1 on the jerk bait, 1 on the chatter bait, 1 on the fly. Everything else was caught on a spoon or a rooster tail. Switched to the spoon from the rooster tail because it has a single hook rather than the treble hook, because it was just ripping them up, and because I was throwing it back I didn't want to mess them up. But yeah, real stressful day to start. A lot of problems with gear and everything. Every now and then I'll see like a pile of bait fish, but nothing on them, you know. I was hoping to see maybe like big catfish holding up on them or something, but I don't see nothing. Might not just be the time, you know. I don't know how well this lake does with holdovers. I've heard there's been big fish. I've seen big catfish in here, but that was years ago, you know. Year by year stuff changes. Sometimes there's no fish. Next year you come and it's just crawling with fish. All last year was just a bunch of small bass I was catching, nothing too big, but I seen 2 like 4 to 5 pounders following each other today, a couple like 2 or 3 pounders in shallow water, wanting nothing to do with what I got. So there is fishing to be had here, just cracking the code. But all in all, beautiful day, beautiful water. It's not too hot. I think that's reading water temperature, not my actual the temperature. I think it says it's like 62 degrees, but it's not 62 degrees. Maybe the water, but not us. There's just drifting spiders on webs. You could see them. But yeah, good day. Again, I'm gonna head back, catch some more, and we'll see if we can get any more. If not, pack up and go home. But I think I'll catch me another 2 trout before I get out of here. So yeah, we'll use some of this. Some of these. I think this guy's still alive. Oh yeah, he's still alive. The other guy I caught way earlier on in the day. We'll leave them there, and I'm gonna paddle back that way. But yeah, all in all, good day. It's not over yet, but about getting ready to throw in the towel. I might just drink me a water, take me a little nap, slowly drift back down there, get that evening bite going. Yeah, I'll tune in when we get to my next fishing spot. Alrighty, so about 4:50. Got back down to the cove I was in earlier. Well, not cove, but the area I was in earlier. There's flats all around here and here. That's where they're piling up. Well, that's where they were earlier. I don't know if they're still here. I assume so. Yeah, earlier when they were over there. That's where I found them at this morning. Didn't catch them. That's what started like feeling like it was going downhill earlier. Because I must have saw a group of like 15 to 20 fish. And I'm casting on them and they're just like looking at my lures like, you're stupid. Took a while to crack the code. So I threw a rooster tail just way out, away from them. Dang, that was awesome. You don't want to stay in the boat. Shoo! There's one of the two. He doesn't not have no quid in him. No, I don't want to do that. No. Come on, dude. Come on, dude. He do this to himself, bro. I got you. Fight all you want. Fight all you want. Alright. Couldn't really tell you where exactly that landed. The one picked up heavy though. I'm on. That didn't take long. Dang, that's a good fish. He fought hard. He's still fighting hard. Oh, he's like foul hooked. Yeah, I hooked him in his gill, it looks like. But playing for keeps. I'm ready for it. Ready? Let's get it with that boat flip. He's a good one. Oh, come on. I guess that was me saying I really don't want to leave yet. Shoo! It's hard to get these boat flips with these trout, dude, because they just like thrash around and flip right out the boat. Yeah. There's something about them right here. They just hammer it. Like, that wasn't even, as it hit the water, it probably wasn't even in the water a full like 4 seconds before he hopped on. It was a foul hook. You can see it was barely hooked, so, you know. Ooh, I just missed when I saw him. Wow. There we go. On another one. He's coming in straight towards me. Probably little. Oh yeah. I mean, he ain't got no quitting. He ain't got no quitting. Ooh. Ooh. Look at that. He doesn't know where he wants to go. He's trying to go underneath the boat. Don't get tangled in my prop. Yeah. Let's bring them over here. Oh. No, that's my limit. But that's my last one. I'm done for today. Look at that. Oh, let me get under his gill. Don't hit me. Don't hit me. Yep. Came and did what I said I was gonna do, catch my limited trout. See if I can't do that again in town. One of my urban lakes, so I don't have to come out so far to do this. Not that I can have this good of a fishing in town, but there's the haul. 3 of them are still kicking, I think. At least it should be. That's it. I'm done. Well, nice day on the water. Ended with my 4 fish. Before, literally right before 5 o'clock. It is like 4:59. So most everything happened in this little area. Very shallow water. So I'll pedal out, get loaded up, and get out of here. Didn't find no bass. Saw him, casted for him. Never caught any. Not today. But good day. Catching limits. Most of them came like reaction bites on a spoon or spinner type of deal. It's a big log in front of me I'm trying to avoid. But yeah, good day. Peña Blanca. Next summer out here, hopefully the bass are starting to move in and actually eat. Starting to see them, but don't look like they're too aggressive. But spawn's around the corner, end of February, so the next month, 2 months, they should be doing their thing. But good day. I'm Fish 4x4. Another great day, catching limits. Gotta love fishing for the trout. But catch you on the next one.